Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. Friends, for today's preparation of this abutulan, I am going to collect a few leaves from this yellow flowering variety. So we have to collect the tender leaves, the small tender leaves, because today we are going to eat it raw with along with some other leaves. Friends, today in our Abutulan Indicum series, we are going to discuss and share in an interesting recipe, a very simple, delicious and an effective recipe. For that we need only these 5 ingredients. I have collected few this Abutulan Indicum leaves. We need tender leaves, so I have collected like this, and then same quantity of coriander leaves also we need. With that we need pudina, mint leaves also. Only very few leaves we are going to take from this, and then from this garlic only one pod we are going to take for the consumption for today's usage, and 8 to 10 drops of lemon juice. In this preparation we are not adding salt, so without salt we are going to take this one. Actually, some of the elders told this kind of preparation is advisable for the piles, those who are suffering with pus formation. Some people, I have heard from some people that from piles some white color thing is oozing out, like that they used to say that is nothing but pus. So for that this recipe is advisable. So for that preparation, first we have to wash and clean everything. And if you see this abutilan, I have collected it with the buds and the fruits. So from the beginning itself I have started to collect the buds and these fruits separately. That is also edible and medicinal. So we will discuss about that later. So today we will start this one. After harvesting, I mean collecting these leaves, fruits and flowers, this stem I am going to use for today's evening herbal tea. So friends, now I have taken everything the required quantity. So very few number of leaves of this abutilan I have taken. Only 8 leaves I have taken, because I couldn't get good leaves because of this I think this climate they are getting the spots. So I have taken only very few of these leaves, and then equal quantity of mint leaf also I have taken. Mint is the same number, and then the same quantity of coriander leaf also I have taken. Then only one garlic pod, and then from this lemon very few drops, 8 drops I am going to add with this preparation. Now we have to chop all these 4 ingredients. So friends, now I have chopped all the ingredients except lemon. So coriander, abutulan leaves, mint leaves I have chopped, and this garlic we have to cut into very small pieces, because since we are going to eat raw, we will get that burning sensation in our tongue and mouth. So see, we may get boils also. That is the reason I have cut it into very very minute pieces. And when we are adding this lemon juice, it will get neutralized and the taste will be very very delicious. So friends, this abutilon leaf salad is ready now. I am going to taste it now. Generally we can eat this along with chapati also as a side dish for chapati. But any wheat product, it is said any wheat product is not good for piles and hemorrhoid patients. So if there is any in unavoidable conditions, if we are taking that wheat product, the the people who are suffering with piles, if they are taking the wheat products, then they can add as a side dish with that one, so that the problem may get reduced. Because some elders they say that consumption of wheat it increases body heat, so that is the reason piles is also getting aggravated, they say like that. That is the reason people are avoiding, people who are suffering with hemorrhoids and piles, they are reducing their wheat intake. So with that wheat, if we are taking this abutilon indicum salad, it will be very delicious only. So the problem will get reduced. So friends, come on friends, now I am going to taste this one as such as a vegetable salad. Come on, let us taste this one. Friends, really it is very very delicious. Very very delicious food. So I am going to make more. And today for dinner I am going to prepare this one for adai dosa. So instead of making chutney and sambar, I am going to make this leaf salad. Really it is delicious. So you also prepare this in your house and taste it, then give your comments and feedback. Friends, there is a misunderstanding that only the people who are suffering with piles, they have to eat this abutilon indicum. It is not like that. Each and everyone can eat this one. This is an edible green leafy vegetable, delicious also and easily available in the organic farm. So anyone can eat this one. So try in your kitchen and give your valuable feedback to me. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section, so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.